In this video, I will show you how to create a TonKeeper wallet. So to get started, go ahead and open TonKeeper and then click on this Create New Wallet button. Now in here, you need to go ahead and create a code for this wallet and then confirm that. And now in here, you'll need to go ahead and set this up first. So let's go ahead and set instant notifications to later, and then you'll need to customize your wallet name and the wallet icon for this, and then click on that continue button at the bottom of your screen. So after this, you'll get redirected into your TonKeeper wallet account dashboard, and that is how you can basically create a TonKeeper wallet. So you can go ahead and back this up into another wallet using the settings. So that's basically how you can do that.